Hello, and welcome to Growth English Channel. Today, we have an A1 English listening test for you. This test has 4 parts. You will hear people talking in everyday situations. After each part, there are 4 questions. Take a pen and paper and write your answers while listening. Are you ready? Let's get started. Listen to a customer ordering drinks and food at a coffee shop.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like a small coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes, a little milk and 1 sugar, please.
Of course. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I want a chocolate muffin and a blueberry scone.
Great. That will be $7, please.
Card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. Your coffee and pastries will be ready in a few minutes. Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Now, answer the questions. Write your answers on your paper. Choose the correct option for each question. Listen to the conversation.
Hello, I'm Maria. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Seoul. And you?
I'm from Brazil. Do you live here in the city?
Yes, I live near the school. And you?
I live near the park. Do you like this city?
Yes, it's very nice. I like the cafes and the parks. I study English at this school.
Oh, me too. What class are you in?
I'm in A1. I like learning English.
That's great. Do you like reading English books?
Yes, I like reading simple stories. What about you?
I like reading too, and I also like listening to English songs.
Cool. Maybe we can study together sometime.
Yes. See you in class tomorrow.
Now, answer the questions. Write your answers on your paper. Choose the correct option for each question. Now, listen to 3 people talking about their daily routines. First, we hear Anna. She is a student. Listen carefully to her day. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast. I like toast and tea in the morning. After breakfast, I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English and maths. I have lunch at 12 o'clock at school. After classes, I walk home. In the afternoon, I do my homework and sometimes play the piano. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now listen to David. He works in an office.
I usually wake up at 6:30. I drink coffee and read the newspaper. After that, I go to work. I work from 9 to 5 in an office. I have lunch at 1 o'clock with my colleagues. After work, I cook dinner at home. I like pasta or salad. In the evening, I take a short walk and then watch the news on TV. Sometimes I call my friends or play video games. I go to bed around 11 o'clock.
Finally, listen to Lisa. She also works and likes music. I get up at 8 o'clock. I eat cereal for breakfast. Then I go to work by bus. I work in an office. I usually have lunch at 12:30 with my coworkers. After work, I sometimes go shopping or meet my friends in a cafe. In the evening, I like to read a book or listen to music. I prepare my clothes and bag for the next day before going to bed. I usually sleep at 11 o'clock. Now, answer the questions. Write your answers on your paper. Choose the correct option for each question. Listen to a family driving to the supermarket.
Okay, kids, seat belts on. Let's go to the supermarket.
Mom, I'm hungry. Can we buy some snacks?
Yes, Ben. We will buy food soon.
Mom, I'm cold. Can you close the window?
Of course, Sarah. Is that better?
Where is the shopping list? I don't see it.
It's in my bag. Don't worry.
Are we there yet?
Almost. 5 more minutes.
I hope we can buy ice cream too.
Maybe after lunch, Sarah.
I want juice and chocolate cookies.
Don't forget to help carry the bags when we come home.
Yes, Dad.
Now, answer the questions. Write your answers on your paper. Choose the correct option for each question. Great job! Don't forget to share your score in the comments. We will upload more English listening challenges very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.